As a stewardess on a yacht, your domain is going to be the interior of the boat, meaning a majority of your time will be spent inside. You will be responsible for the upkeep, appearance, and cleanliness of everything, and you will be expected to do so with an extremely strong attention to detail. A guest should never have to be burdened with the sight of one single fingerprint or a speck of dirt on any surface. Your daily tasks will have a strong emphasis on guest service, hospitality, and housekeeping. This position is more commonly held by females, although not always. Many boats are now combining the roles of a stewardess with those of a deckhand or even a cook. This job is great for high-energy, resourceful, and well-organized individuals. You will be expected to work around the clock, ensuring that the guest needs are met. The word no is no longer a part of your vocabulary. Their wish is your command. The following skills are useful or necessary to perform the duties of a yacht stewardess: silver service, bartending, guest hospitality, event planning, concierge, housekeeping, laundry, table setting, napkin folding, detailing, strong attention to detail, international etiquette, and childcare or nannying. But don't get too intimidated. While these are skills you will be expected to learn and cultivate eventually, the quicker the better, you don't necessarily have to have prior experience when you're just starting out.